Hey guys, here I am back in Vegas, and look what I found, another max out major on Lightning Links, high stakes, so thumbs up for good luck guys. Let's get it. All right, there we go. Look at that pretty number. I put 300 of free play in, and here we go. Let's start with Penny. We got some very loud country music playing right now because we are here during the Las Vegas Rodeo. So everywhere we go, it's nothing but country music, which is fine. It's just a very different vibe than usual. Because it's not like, and maybe I'm wrong because I don't really listen to country music, but I don't think it's like contemporary country music. Oh, do that. Do it! Come on. Alright, we can use 3 of those briefcases. Oh, did you see that? What that just did? That was so wrong. Oh, here it is. So wrong. Do that. Look at those pretty ones. That was 75 each on those. Alright, she's all the way through. And this way. 20 bucks. I kind of thought it'd be more than that. Did y'all? Let's go. 5 cents. 375. 625. Do it. Oh my God. Do it. Yeah. All right. 375. That should have been my 625. Preferably a big green circle with word paint. Wiles. 10 went all the way good. Hey, we're spitting some money up top. 37. Come on, let's get some money. All right, 3 more games. This one pays more, so they only give you 3. Look at that. Dead. Come on, money. Dead again. Oh, wow. Like the last 4 spins, huh? We're dead. Alright, 70 bucks. Oh. We didn't even make it back to our original 3. Oh, that was $7.50. You should have gave me something. Those are nice numbers for $2.50. So if you play here, you'll know what I'm talking about. Because they used to be in one place, and now they moved them like over in front of the bar, or really like a little off the side of the bar. And I swear, since they moved these things, they are so fast, like tight. I don't know if they did a reset on them. This is where we got our bonus last time, so. Oh, that was mean. Just threw in a Big Daddy. Did not work. Oh! I thought we were going to get that one. Do it. Dang. Y'all see this. This is what I am faced to endure here. Alright, 6:45. Let's see some big baby thing. Money in the middle. You are not money, girl. Almost had the whole thing. That would have been really big. I think it would have been singing if we'd have got the full thing of Wilds. Ooh, 103, nice. Do it again. Alright, last spin. We want to see Hula Cha-Cha. That's a good one. We like fast cars. Hey, look at us. Do more! Oh, I thought that was it, guys. I thought that was it. There they are, you dirty dogs. I'm gonna call it right there. Cash me out. Alright guys, so we didn't get the major. We didn't get the major, but we got very lucky to even get back because we were almost out of money. So I'm cashing out $200, 21 cents. It was $300 free play in, $200 cash out. So it was $100 free play of loss. But hey, we're taking money, so that's always a good thing. And we're going to move on to something else.